Hello, everybody. Today we are going to solve a very beautiful problem known as a coffin problem. It states that given an equilateral triangle ABC and a point O inside it, with an angle BOC equals X and an angle AOC equals Y, find the angles of a triangle with side lengths equal to AO, BO, and CO. Now, if we move down there, this is what the question is trying to say. There is a triangle, equilateral triangle ABC and a random point O inside it. And we are going to connect the three vertices of a triangle with this point. And we are given angle BOC, which is X, and angle AOC, which is Y. And we have to find the angles of a triangle made by these three lines. And we have to find these angles. So if you want to try it yourself, you can pause the video right now and do it by yourself. So let's hope you have solved it. So the trick to solve this question, or the method to solve this question, is that we are going to take any one of the vertices and rotate the triangle by 60 degree. So you can imagine how it would look like. It would look like this. So it would look like this. So here we can see that this whole triangle is rotated along point C by 60 degree. Now we can see we have to find this angle. Let us say that this angle is this angle is alpha. Let us see. Then the whole angle is 60 degree because it's an equilateral triangle. So this angle will be 60 minus alpha. Because it is the same triangle, this angle is also alpha. Now this angle made between these two red lines, it will be 60 minus alpha plus alpha, which is equals to 60 degree. So now we can say that this angle, this whole angle between these two red lines is 60 degree. Now we know that this angle is 60 degree. What we can say that these two lines are same, have equal length, and the this angle is 60 degree. So if we draw a line here connecting two O points of these two triangles, we can see that this is an isosceles triangle and these two angles must be equal. So let us suppose these two angles are something like Z. So we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can say that Z plus Z, 2Z plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. So here from this we can find out that Z is equals to 60 degree. So these are 60 and this angle is also 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle and we can say that the length of all three sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Then this length is also equal to the length of the red line. So we have formed this triangle that we have to find the angles of this triangle. One red line, one green line and one blue line. This triangle is formed here, just we have to find the angles of it right now. So to find the angles, we can see this is 60 degree angle because this red triangle is equilateral and this is 60 degree and this whole angle is x. So we can say that this angle will be 60 degree. So this angle is x minus 60 degree. This angle is x minus 60 degree. Another angle we have to find here. So we can say that this angle is x minus 60 degree. Now we have to find one of the other angles, we know that this is 60 degree because this is an equilateral triangle and this whole angle is y. Now we can say that this angle is y minus 60 degree. That is, this angle is y minus 60 degree. We can find the remaining angle from the property of a triangle that the sum of all angles of a triangle are equal to 180. Let me just erase this over here. So now let us suppose that this angle is B. We can write that B plus x minus 60 plus y minus 60 is equals to 180. From this we can get that B is equals to 300 minus x minus y. So now we have found all three angles of the triangle. This triangle of this triangle, we find all three angles. We can just write the angles here. One of the angle is x minus 60 degree. Another angle is y minus 60 degree. And the remaining angle is 300 degree minus x minus y. So that's all for today. We will meet in another video.